Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are the first of the month. We are March 1st, 2026. And what we do, first day of the month, is look at the Windows market share. So, a huge jump for Windows 11 this month. If you look at the StatCounter global stats, the Windows 11 operating systems around the world is now at 72.8%, while Windows 10 is at 27. So what's interesting on this month is the jump. When we look at the jump from January 62.4 to February 72.5, it's a 10% jump in a month. And the reverse, 35.7 to 26.4, is 9% drop. So I don't know if it's kind of a readjustment of numbers, and it shows the weirdness of this graph basically in the previous months. But one thing for sure, according to this, Windows 11 is way ahead now of Windows 10, and it's obvious that if things would continue at a good speed towards the end of this year, Microsoft will have no incentive in extending for another year the Windows 10 operating system for the extended support. So I'm pretty sure that Microsoft has no plan in extending support another year. It's going to end there. So that means that in October, you're probably, if you still want to keep your Windows 10 machines, you'll probably have to move to a service like ZeroPatch to continue keeping your Windows 10 machine working. It shows that Windows 11 now is really taking a pretty good lead. If we look at what it is, if we concentrate on North America only, 76.9, so almost 77% in North America. And let's check out Europe. If you look at Europe, Europe is also jumping 69% in Europe now. Windows 10 is at 30. Like always, it's Asia, Africa. These places are probably more behind, but still, look at that. Asia, 70.5, 28.22. It seems like the numbers are more uniform. They are now showing that most regions of the world have the same pickup of Windows 11, which is interesting. I don't know if StatCounter changed something, but I am a little surprised that in some parts like Africa, Windows 11 is so high. Usually Asia, Africa, they lag behind because they take a lot more time to change their old computers most of the time. But kind of interesting. We have a really full speed ahead Windows 11 going on now, and that means that Windows 10 is really going lower. And I can actually tell you that I could see that it is the case, because if I put Windows 10 videos on the channel and Windows 11 videos on the channel for subjects that are similar, Windows 11 videos get way more views than Windows 10 now. So that shows you, and it actually is the reason why I do not have a Windows 10 PC anymore. We're moving ahead, and that's the thing that's happening. We're going to talk about the important things of Windows 10 when they happen, the security updates, but my focus now really going towards Windows 11 pretty much. So, yep, Windows 11 at 72.8% now. Really moving fast. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.